Let's create our first JavaFX application in NetBeans. So normally you'd go to File, New Project, and then select JavaFX, and these are your choices. I'll just try first choice JavaFX application and click Next. And this message that I'm getting here failed to automatically set up a JavaFX platform. Go to Platform Manager and follow these instructions. This means that JavaFX SDK is not automatically configured with my NetBeans configuration, so I plan to download JavaFX from the website. Just simply search for download JavaFX, and JavaFX Gluon is your link. Here just search for your platform. My platform will be Windows x64. I'm going to click download. In my browser it prompts me where I want to download, so obviously you need to download it somewhere where you can find it on your drive. So I'm going to click save. So the zip file is downloaded, and I download it in the same directory where I keep my projects. So here I'm just going to unzip this. Basically I'm using 7-zip, so I will say extract here, which gets extracted under JavaFX SDK 15.01. So this will be the path to JavaFX SDK on my computer. Next step, let's go back here to NetBeans. I'm going to cancel this attempt to create new JavaFX application. And now I'm going to Tools, Libraries, and we're going to add this new library, because if you scroll down and you don't see JavaFX on this list, we're going to create a new library. So it's asking me for the library name. I will just follow the version over here and say it's JavaFX 15 and click OK. So right now the library class path is empty. Next step is to add jar file in folder. So I'll try to copy and paste the path to my location. So obviously this is where I downloaded JavaFX SDK. And just be sure that you extract this from the zip file before using this dialog box. Basically you can just even try to delete the zip file after extracting it, just to be sure that you're not using the zip file somehow. You just have to extract it into a real subfolder, and it's located under JavaFX SDK. So we'll just copy this again, Control C, okay, and paste it right here. And if you click add jar folder at this stage, it will just include this. So this is incorrect, just remove it. And go back to add jar folder and make sure that you actually go under lib, and under lib subfolder here just click on the first jar file, and then I press shift on my keyboard and click on the last jar file and add jar folder like this. Okay, so right now we're going to populate this library class path with all of these jar files. So we're just going to say add jar files, and this is what we need to have here on this list for our JavaFX 15. Of course, your version number may be different because the next version is coming out soon. It may be 16 or higher. So after this we click OK. I added this simple text file with my steps that I did so far. I'm going to Google downloading JavaFX for your platform, and then going to do this thing one time in NetBeans configuration to go to the libraries, add new library, and add all jar files to NetBeans environment. Now we should be ready to create our first test JavaFX application, which I will show you in the next video.